Welcome back to another episode of the Packaging School Show. I'm your host, Kevin Kegley, Creative Director at the Packaging School, and that's who sponsors this show, the Packaging School. We are bringing it to you once again. Was this day 243 of quarantine? Self-quarantine? I think it's been like 2 weeks. It's gone. It's gone. And COVID-19, that is what is happening in the world. It's what's happening in our world and yours and the world of packaging. It's created a lot of issues for the packaging supply chain for sure. There are issues of social distancing when it comes to deliveries, organizations being shorthanded because employees are out sick. Because of those reasons, there's been a marked interest in automated delivery systems, especially in these forms, drones and robots. Drones, UPS has partnered with drone startup Wingcopter to develop a new delivery drone fleet, and Amazon already has a drone delivery service. That was talked about years ago, but they recently announced that they were hiring former Boeing executive David Carbon to head up its drone business. So maybe other companies will hop on the drone concept, like Netflix. Like maybe they will get me my DVD rentals in a more on-demand fashion. When it comes to robots, city centre residents and workers in Milton Keynes, that is in the UK, it's about 50 miles northwest of London, folks there can now order food and drinks from select brands and have it delivered to their door by a robot. But if you should happen to take advantage of these services, listen carefully after they finish delivering their goods. If they say, "I'll be back," just walk inside and calmly close the door and lock it. Terminator. Not only has there been an uptick in the interest of robot deliveries, but there's been an uptick in malicious activity of another kind of bot, web bots. And according to cybersecurity firm Proofpoint, 80% of scams, hacks, and automated cyber attacks are now coronavirus themed. Those behind these bots are using pandemic fear to get personal information as well as financial information. In fact, the World Health Organization described the spread of fake news related to the COVID-19 pandemic as an infodemic, like we need another demic in the world. So, while you're self-quarantining at home and you're on Facebook, if you happen to see a banner or an ad that says, "For a goodwill offering, receive 1 year supply of toilet paper delivered by Jimmy Fallon," probably a scam. So be on your guard. And be on your guard about germs. Be vigilant. And always remember, keep calm and carry on and wash your hands. We'll see you next time.